Now let's spend 10 minutes with Chemibio SRL, which is a company with innovative devices and techniques. And our guest now to talk about this company is João Oliveira.
Hello.
You're agent and foreign affairs for Chemibio, and you've got, as I said, several devices. Especially one is very curious to me and very interesting. It is called Hydrofor, and it's based on Hydroelectrophoresis. What is it exactly?
So this is a way of transportation of pharmaceuticals into the tissues on body. So we can use every kind of medicaments on the therapy.
So this is what we call a vector.
Yes.
So that you transport a molecule towards a target to treat an organ or a tissue, something.
Yes, yes, up to 10 centimeters deep.
10 centimeters deep. It's a lot. It's rare.
Yes, it's rare. It's innovation, and we are very proud of it.
Okay. What are the current applications?
Well, on pain relief, relief of pain, even in cancer, metastases, and mostly, of course, on the rehabilitation, reconstruction of tissues, and on the aesthetic medicine, as introduction of all the kind of substances able to produce a rejuvenation process.
So, by the way, as we're here to talk about cosmetic and aesthetic medicine, could you develop this particular indication?
Yes, for example, to make the introduction of some hormones or vitamins, even proteins, able of initiating a process of rejuvenation of tissues. And this means skin or an organ, something like a breast, for example, or even the reducing of localized fat with enormous efficiency.
And how long have you been using this technique?
Well, this is a proven technique for 12 years now on different countries all around the world. We are certified by the Health Ministry, and we are present in all kind of institutions, private and public hospitals and institutions.
And even public hospitals?
Yes, yes, of course.
Right. Okay.
Mostly.
Mostly.
Yes.
So there is another technique, and which is particularly related to cosmetics and aesthetic surgery and medicine. It is Antera 3D. What is Antera 3D?
So it's a scanner of the skin, which we use to produce a vectorial image, immediate, with less than a second. We can have all the data that we need to acquire to produce a report of therapy before and after the results, and to have a precise quantification of all the data.
So it's a tool for surgeons to know exactly what to do and where to act.
Yes, 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 absolutely.
So maybe we could have a look on footage on a movie that you have. We're going to watch it together, and you're going to comment it for us. Let's watch the movie and the footage. Okay, so tell us, what do we see?
This is the live image acquisition.
Yep.
Where we have the possibility to look at the skin on a 3D perspective.
Yep.
And this is a feature which gives us the possibility to measure precisely with a mathematical quantification of the wrinkles, the depthness of the wrinkle, and of course the comparison of results before and after treatment.
So we use the 3D, then we used the treatment thanks to the 3D material.
Yes.
And the result is better.
Of course, because we have all the data that we need to produce a more focused therapy, wherever we're using a laser or maybe a filler or even maybe some proteins or vitamins or hormones introduced with Hydrofor, for example.
All right. So this is the machine itself.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Another view.
Yes,
this
the
is
3D view.
A preview. This is the skin before.
Yes, yes.
A lot of wrinkles.
So the evaluation. These are the wrinkles that was on the surface of this skin.
It's like a satellite picture of a
yes,
landscape.
a little bit. So this is the melanin, which is present, and so we have
another
afterwards the capability of produce a treatment that it's completely focused on the data that we have acquired with Antera.
And do you have a lot of clinics or doctors, physicians who are interested, surgeons in this technology?
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. Mostly because of the capability of giving to the patient proof of the results of the therapy. So it's more like a repertoire that we can go along the time making a story of the progress of the therapies during the time when we use the different kind of techniques. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, João Oliveira. I remind that you're agent on foreign affairs for Chimibio SRL. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.